Wagwan peeps, another day, another morning, happy Sunday. What's up guys, boys, let's give me the building, like, comment and subscribe. Yo, I'll get right into it. You know, today is Sunday, big day, Father's Day. You know, first and foremost, I want to say big up to all of the fathers them out there, the real fathers them out there. You know what I mean? Where they are play a father figure, your grandfather, your stepfather, and your real father, you know. And the reason why I also make that video is because I want to share something with a lot of people outside my country. I want to understand the culture. Father's Day in Jamaica is a very touchy thing. The reason why Father's Day in Jamaica is a touchy thing is because sad to say that majority of the fathers here in Jamaica, the culture, you have more single mothers that play mother figure than fathers honoring their role. So a lot of the homes are broken, you know what I mean? The father not around, and you know what I mean, you have a thing where in my country where you call galley's code, you know what I mean? More gal you have dog, and you know what I mean, and whole heap of youth. Some people glorify these things and feel say you're a G, you're a pimp, you're the boss. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you know, look after your youth. My G, I no rate them style, my G. Nothing for no money. Nobody for glorify or feel good about. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we find that things like that, a lot of our homes are broken where man no respect man and women no respect no man. You know what I mean? At all. Without. The reason being is because there was no father figure around them to instill certain stuff. You have a thing we call principle, and it starts from home. And more children are balanced, are more focused when they have the mother and the father figure around, you know. And a lot of the homes, the child is affected because there's some things that God instill in a man, what him alone can instill in a child. Also, the same thing where there's some things that instill in a woman, where God gave woman to instill in the child. You understand? So it's very important. You know what I mean? Mother and father in every child life. And trust me, who feels it knows it. Why? That's why I know for the youths them out there, them not feel very loved or them so angry. You know what I mean? And them pray things differently or behave differently. It's a big deal. Father is just as important as the mother, you know what I mean? Trust me. And going forward with the culture in Jamaica, yo, Father's Day not really get that highlight as it should because of the cause or the culture or what is glorified in the country as a galley squad, or yeah dog, if you're not a youth, use a gelding, and dog, if you breed up and ready there run the road and stuff like that. Mother's Day, everybody go all out. And it's because, and that's precisely the reason why I think Father's Day is not really a big thing here in Jamaica, is because it's because of all of these things. You know what I mean? But I kind of see a little shift as the years go by. I see a little shift where the fathers is getting a little bit more recognized now. And I see a lot of women in Jamaica who grow up on them father, glorify them father, and big up them father, who love them father. Big up people like all Shari Parry. Yeah, man, Shari Parry love her father, man. You know what I mean? No father people, me say. Them big up to them father. You know what I mean? And trust me, it's the history, it's bad, but I wish it wasn't so, you know. But I just wanted to just share that with you guys. And also say big up to the real father them out there who take the time to take care of them son and them daughter. You have even, now that me there I think about it, me see couple single fathers them out there too. And that one they go rough. Yeah man, when the mothers them run away, we burn them out too. You know what I mean? We not just burn out the father them too. Who not they run, we burn out some mother when not they run too. Allow the duty, left the duty upon the father them, but me see the father them, you know what I mean, I do them thing as a single parent, single father. Yo, big up to every father will do that. I know Maria too. Big up to every stepfather. Yeah man, that's something that not easy. Let's not fool ourselves, boy. Because another thing in the country, another thing when we see enough youth run with who me not mind no man pick me. Ray, and all them stuff there. But yo, I see that around me. And I see that also in my family. Big up to every stepfather out there. We take up the mantle and say, yo, accept this child, whether blood or not, you know what I mean, as my own. And really run the race, the man. It's a big deal. It's a big deal in our country. You know what I mean? So, yeah. A big up to every father out there, man. No matter what. See our uncle play a father role too. Big up yourself. And you just all have some big man too who some younger youth or people like me look up to as a father figure. You know what I mean? They give the best advice them. You know what I mean? But big up to the real father them out there, man. Yeah. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Today I hear day. Big up to every father out there, man. Yeah, man. So, big up on yourself. And we're there and just go on journey with your boy. Yeah, man, the 2 full vlog today. Or something like that. Find something for them. My food kind of hurt me still. But make we see what I go on for the rest of the day. But big up to every father. God bless you, know. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. And just go on journey with your boy. And remember that nothing can stop us. Because God will rock. Whoop.